Have you ever felt too broken, too unclean, too far gone? In Mark chapter 1, verse 41, a man with leprosy fell at Jesus' feet and said, "If you are willing, you can make me clean." The world had rejected him, but Jesus didn't back away. Instead, scripture says, filled with compassion, Jesus reached out his hand and touched the man. "I am willing," he said. "Be clean." You can just imagine Jesus' hand reaching out in slow motion, touching the leper's shoulder. Jesus didn't just heal the man, he touched him. The untouchable, the outcast, the one that everyone else avoided. Today, many people are like that leper man. They sit in shame, rejected, but we can lift our heads up with hope. No matter what your past, your pain, or your shame, Jesus isn't afraid of your mess. He moves towards it with healing in his hands. Jesus is light that breaks through a cloudy sky. He is coming to you willing. Let him make you clean. You are never too far gone for the touch of Jesus, so come to him now. Why come to Jesus now? Because Jesus still heals right now. So let him touch you and touch your heart.